What's up, guys? It's Keaton doing the lot for Edwin. Excuse me. Niall Davis, 3-color out of 49. Joseph Randall, Monty Ball, Latimer, and Trey Mason. Sorry, guys. Gotta hydrate. The water just goes down the wrong pipe. You know, wrong tube. We go live. Timestamp 11:04. Current local time 11:04. Paste the list. Should have 35. Run up through them real quick. Zach, Star, Greg, Zach again, Travis, Mike, Zach again, Mike again, Robert, Zach, and Jack. 2 dice 1 time, the snake eyes 6 times. It is 11:04, about to be 11:05. 6 times, good luck. 1, 35 items in the list. Gregory is up top. 2, Gregory. 3, Zach. 4, Gregory. On 5, we've got Gregory up top, Travis on the bottom. Again, dice gave us a 6. Current local time is 11:05. 6th and final time, good luck. With the 26th spot, Robert is the winner. Congratulations, brother. Go ahead and PM Edwin your information. I'll get that out to you 6 times. 11:05, 6, 6, and with the 26th spot, Robert is the winner. Congratulations. Sorry, everybody else. Yeah, Zach, you lost number 8 in a row, my man. I lost once, 11:05 end time. Now 11:06. One time I lost 37 in a row, and those were live rises. I didn't even know about Facebook shit yet. But yeah, see you guys later. Tag me if you need more videos. I'll be up for a couple hours.